Can you see yourself in the 2020 Jeep Wrangler? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, heated front seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.